Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the benefits that we can get from social media. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of social media. Social media has become an integral part of modern society, influencing various aspects of our personal and professional lives. Here are some key benefits of social media. Number one, communication and connectivity. Facilitates instant communication and connection with people around the world. Enables individuals to stay in touch with friends, family, and colleagues regardless of geographical distances. Number two, information and awareness. Act as a platform for paid dissemination of news and information. Raises awareness about important issues, events, and social causes. Number three, networking and professional opportunities. Provides a platform for professional networking, job searches, and career development. Connects professionals in various industries, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing. Number four, educational resources. Offers access to a vast array of educational content, tutorials, and online courses. Facilitates collaborative learning through forums, discussion groups, and shared resources. Number five, business promotion and marketing. Allows businesses to reach a goal audience and promote their products or services. Provides cost-effective marketing strategies through targeted advertising and content promotion. Number seven, community building. Enables the creation of online communities based on shared interests, hobbies, or goals. Fosters a sense of belonging and connection among like-minded individuals. Number seven, crisis communication. Serves as a platform for quick dissemination of information using emergencies or crises. Helps coordinate relief efforts and connect people in need with necessary resources. Number eight, social activism and advocacy. Empowers individuals and groups to advocate for social and political causes. Amplifies voices and facilitates the mobilization of communities for positive change. Number nine, creative and expression. Provides a platform for creative expression through sharing art, photography, writing, and other forms of content. Fosters a global community of creators and encourages sharing of diverse perspectives. Number 10, customer feedback and support. Allows businesses to receive direct feedback from customers. Provides a channel for customer support and issue resolution. While social media has numerous benefits, it's important to be mindful of potential drawbacks, such as privacy concerns, misinformation, and the impact of mental health. Balancing the positive aspects with responsible usage is key to maximizing the benefits of social media. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the benefits of using social media. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.